In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PlayStation app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official PlayStation app installed on your phone and be ready to connect with your gaming world wherever you go. Before we begin, make sure a few basics are in place. Your phone should be running Android 6.0 or higher. You'll want a stable internet connection so the download goes smoothly, and you'll need a PlayStation Network account. If you don't have a PSN account yet, it's free to create and will be essential for signing in once the app is installed. The easiest and most reliable way to get the app is through the Google Play Store. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace for Android and ensures you're downloading the legitimate version with the latest updates and security protections. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type PlayStation app, then take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one. You're looking for PlayStation app by PlayStation Mobile Inc. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps and guarantees you get the official experience designed to work seamlessly with the PlayStation ecosystem. Once you've found it, tap install. The download time can vary depending on your connection speed, so give it a moment to complete. Keeping your phone on a stable network like strong Wi-Fi or solid mobile data will help the download finish faster and without interruptions. When the installation wraps up, tap open to launch the app right away. On first launch, you'll be prompted to sign in with your PlayStation Network account. This links the app to your gaming profile, so your friends list, trophies, and activities sync automatically. After signing in, you can chat with friends, check out your trophies and recent activity, and even download games to your PlayStation console remotely. This is especially handy when you want a game ready to play the moment you get home. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double check that you installed the app from PlayStation Mobile Inc. and that your internet connection is stable. Also, keeping your phone's software up to date helps the app run smoothly. That's it. You've installed the PlayStation app from the Google Play Store and you're ready to stay connected to your gaming life on the go. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring everything the app has to offer.